I want to make another sword. In order to make this particular sword, I need a special tool that I am going to make in this video. This sword ain't gonna be like any of the others I made before, which means I need to make a special tool in order to make this sword. What this particular tool is going to do is make what is called the blood groove, or the fuller. It's considered a spring fuller. Basically, it's shaped like this. It goes over your anvil, you stick your sword right here, and you hit right here, and it creates your blood groove. So I need to make one of those if I want to make a katana that is cool. That thing right there on the ground is a piece of rusted junk. I am going to turn it into a sword to make tools. A tool to make... Oh my god, I got that backwards. A tool to make swords. Yeah. What the heck? Hi, Huckbait. Woo! Wanna do this without taking out? Nope. Game plan is I gotta straighten all this out right here. I want to keep this. I have an idea for this. I'm gonna try to make this a one-piece spring fold. My super precise measurements were very, very off, so I had to straighten it back out and then rebend it so the way I could make the two ends match up perfectly. No, get out of there. You don't drink yet. This spot in the project, I'm doing the same bends that I do on my stake flippers. It's basically two 90-degree angles. All right, so I got this piece of steel right here. It happens to fit perfectly in my hand. I need to figure out a way to attach this to that without a welder, without interrupting the spring action. It is the next day, and here is what I got. What I did basically is I punched a hole, I took this piece of metal, stuck it through the hole, accidentally riveted it in place. Now I can't get it out unless I grind it. I want this to stick into the hardy hole, but it's the wrong direction, so I need to wrap this. You'll see in the video. Came across an issue. The phone is doing some funky stuff, so I don't know if I recorded it, but basically I set my forge on the ground and I put my piece surrounded in these fire bricks. I gotta let this heat up now, then I'm gonna dismantle this entire thing, then I'm gonna finish forging it tight. Alright, so I wasn't recording, but yeah, that's what happened to my tongs right there. Guess I'm gonna have to make some new tongs whether I like it or not. I was literally trying to just twist it like this. You know.
No! What the heck? What? 2 pairs of tongs in a row. You can't even grab this now. I would even try doing it on those ones. I'm sure these would last longer than those 2. Are you kidding me?
And just like that, I need to make at least 3 new sets of tongs.
Alright, so if I remember how to make the tongs correctly, I gotta start forging this spot down right here. Draw out the reins. No, not the ones in Africa. Alright, the wind picked up really bad, so I don't know if this is going to work or not. I'm going to try to stabilize this the best I can. Let's see. That'll work. There. Another thing you're gonna do is see how these ones like blink open the second you drop them. Here's test number 1 on the tongs. Does it pick stuff up? Yes, it does, and it's not very stable. I can adjust that later though.
If you want to see this set of tools in action, scroll down and click the subscribe button. What that will do is notify you whenever I post my next video. The next video may be a little bit delayed, but what I may also do, depending on what happens, I might make it a series. So basically part 1, 2, and 3. If I don't make it a series and post every couple of weeks, YouTube will decide to divorce me. Y'all have a good one, and we'll see you next one.